Hey, what's up you guys? Today I decided that I would do a bit of an eyebrow tutorial, and I'm not sure if I mentioned it in my last video or not, but my eyebrows are actually tattooed on my face. So like they're not going anywhere. So without further ado, let's get into this. I have two of my favorite brow products here. The first one is the Total Temptations Brow Definer in Medium Brown by Maybelline, and then there's the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit in 5 because I like my dark brows. So today I think I'm going to use the Brow Definer. It just looks like this. There's a spoolie on one end and then the product comes out on that side. I'm going to go ahead and spoolie through with what hair I have left on my brows because I do shave them periodically. And then I'm just going to go in and just fill them in. I don't do anything crazy, like I don't bother to try to feather them out or anything like some people do. That's just not my thing. So I just go in and just fill them in. There's nothing crazy that I do, like I said, and I hope I'm in frame for this, but I am just going to draw them on. And that's one brow done. And I'm just going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the left hand side there. And see, this is the reason why I didn't want to show you guys in Wednesday's video. Tuesday? I don't know, my last video for the Valentine's look. Only because I don't really do anything special for them. And that is the brows done. So I know that this is a really short video, you guys, but like I said, I don't do anything crazy. I just wanted to show you, you know, just how I have been doing my eyebrows lately. And I did just a very light wash of makeup before I filmed this, like literally 2 seconds ago. So yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. Let me know down below what you guys want to see next, and hit that subscribe button. That'll really help me out. And I will see you guys in my next one.